Hey folks, so today is Tuesday, February 9th, and I am going to start this video by introducing you to Forest 404. So Forest 404 is an audio drama eco-thriller created by the BBC, and basically, how do I put this? Our main character is a librarian, but the librarian's job in this instance is actually to throw shit away instead of keeping it, and in particular, throwing away audio files. And so she's really good at her job until she gets to this one file that just like really kind of sticks with her, and she has like no idea what it is. And what she's hearing is an audio file of a rainforest. And why does she not know what that is? It's because rainforests and really anything green, just it doesn't exist anymore. Right? This is a post-apocalyptic eco-thriller, right? But the thing is, it turns out that like her knowledge about this rainforest ends up getting her in a lot of trouble. So that's kind of the gist, all right, of this podcast. So yeah, the first thing that I want you to do is just sort of get acquainted with the show. Check out the BBC's web intro for it. The BBC also made this kind of neat trailer for Forest 404, so you can check that out too if you want. And then from there, I want you to just begin listening to Forest 404. So I don't know why I have the left. You see, I copied these things. Here we go. So I want you to begin listening to Forest 404. And Forest 404 is a little bit different because there are 9 parts to it, but each part has like 3 chunks to it. So each part is like 35 minutes-ish, all right? But there are three kind of connected audio files. The first is like the fictional episode itself. Then right after that is like a nonfiction talk that's usually about something around posthumanism and AI, artificial intelligence, or climate change and ecology, okay? And then the next thing is a soundscape that ties all of those things together, the episode and the mini talk and that. And while it might feel like a little hippy-dippy to like listen to the soundscape at the end, don't skip it, okay? Like listen to all of them in the exact order because it fundamentally changes your experience of the fictional aspect of the podcast, okay? So there's that. We're going to listen to that in class. And obviously feel free to post to the Hot Takes channel as you're listening to it. That's task 3. Here is the script to Forest 404. I do want to say that the BBC has this really unfortunate tendency of not offering transcripts for their podcasts. And so I actually reached out to the producer of Forest 404, Tim X. Attic, who is really, really delightful. And he gave me the script for at least the episodes. So if you want to follow along that way, the transcripts for that will be in there. I don't think that the talk is included in that. Now, the soundscape obviously doesn't have a transcript, but the description tells you what it is. So that's task 2. Task 3 is obviously to contribute to the Hot Takes forum. Some of you do that while you're listening, which is delightful. Totally your choice, but do make sure that you are doing that. And then for homework, what I want you to do is listen to these episodes of Forest 404. So you're going to listen to episodes 2 through 4. Make sure to listen to all the clusters because, again, it's going to make a huge difference, even in terms of how you're able to analyze the podcast if you end up skipping those other things, okay? I mean, obviously, it's like an honor system sort of situation, but I promise you, I'm not steering you wrong. You want to listen to those things, all right? And then once you've done that, I want you to create your first post to the Unit 2 cache and, just find something that you think is related to Forest 404. There are actually a lot of things that are mentioned in the talk parts of the episodes that you can kind of like pull from. So feel free if there's something that is mentioned in a talk, or if you find, again, all the things that are on the cache assignment. It gives you different things you can potentially contribute to the cache. But, just find something, and do make sure that you're posting artifacts that are going to enrich our experience of Forest 404. I mean, I'm not saying like spend hours doing it, but just like find something cool, like do put some effort into it. All right. So that is it, my friends. Let's have a good day.